This is why you need to stay informed about Zimbabwe's latest political moves. President Mnangagwa is not taking any chances. On June 26, 2024, President Emmerson Mnangagwa issued a grave warning to those he described as unruly elements collaborating with foreign entities to disturb peace ahead of the 44th SADC summit. This comes in the wake of 79 arrests linked to the Citizens Coalition for Change, including former Senator Jameson Timber. They stand accused of participating in a gathering meant to promote violence and disorder. As the Harare Magistrates Court continues to deliberate on their bail applications, Mnangagwa's message is clear. Any attempts at disruption will be met with strict law enforcement. With the SADC summit just around the corner, Zimbabwe's political tensions are at an all-time high. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor this developing story. Remember, in the world of politics, knowledge is power. Stay informed. Stay